And therefore I cannot see a conflict in terms of my work as the chair of the Committee of Experts and my work as a Chief Justice.
My second last question, are we a corrupt judiciary? I ask this question because you spend a lot of your time in the corridors of justice.
Let me put it this way. We were, and I'm saying we because I'm a practitioner, so I'm still part of the judiciary anyway. We were in ICU. I think the former Chief Justice has brought us to HDU. Whoever will become the next one should either get us discharged or at least to the normal ward. So yes, there was corruption in the judiciary. It is still there, but I think there has been quite some improvement. I have not had as many instances of corruption as I used to hear when in the past. So I think we are continuing to improve. I think the other challenge has been a shortage of judges. I think there has been marked improvement with the number of judges have increased, but I think we could do more because of the third problem that I'm going to identify is that despite the infrastructural developments that have been very welcome, the hearing of cases is still a challenge. Not as many cases as we would like to be heard are being heard,